What's up, everybody? My name is Gilbert, and this is my first YouTube video. My channel is going to be mostly about trucking because I'm a truck driver. I'm right here picking up at the ports right here in LA and Long Beach. I also have stories, working in the warehouses before I became a truck driver. Sometimes I'll make videos about home life, DIY projects, product reviews. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And just a little bit about myself. I'm 38 years old. I live in SoCal, been married for 16 years, have 2 kids, a 17-year-old daughter, a 16-year-old son. I'm an owner-operator of 2 trucks. I drive 1 truck. I have a driver in the other truck. And hopefully I could get to a point where I don't have to drive. I could just manage my drivers and do maintenance on my trucks and get loads and, look into other business ventures and investments that I could possibly do. I got my own authority. I do local loads, home every day. I'll pick up a load from LA Long Beach ports and deliver anywhere in like LA area all the way to like IE area. I don't go to like San Diego or Bakersfield or anywhere far. I just really stay like anywhere from like LA and Long Beach to like San Bernardino and Riverside area and anywhere in between. But yeah, this has definitely been a crazy roller coaster of a journey. Just this trucking experience, and from the point of getting my Class A license to getting my first company truck driver job, 3 years as a company driver, doing all my research from day one of getting my license, just how do I become an owner operator, steps I need to do, how much money do I got to save, to just actually doing it, buying my first truck and getting out there, putting myself out there, and working the 1 truck for 2 years, and then finally getting my 2nd truck, and then now it's been 3 years that I've been an owner operator. So yeah, it's definitely been a crazy ride. But yeah, if you want to know anything about me, or you want to, a specific video that I could talk about, just leave a comment. Let me know. I want to see what you guys think. If you're a truck driver, if you work in the ports yourself, you probably see me and you don't even know it. But if you see me, say what's up. I love talking to other people, talking to other drivers, hearing their journeys, their experiences, their struggles, their success. That's what we all strive for, success. Like, we want to be successful so we can take care of our families, take care of our wives, or your husband, or your kids, your family, aunts, uncles, whoever. We want a good life. We want to be successful. We want to go on vacations. We want to just be free, basically. And that's pretty much my end goal, is like, I want to just be free and not even have to work eventually, one of these days. But until then, I got to do whatever it takes to get there. So I appreciate you watching this video. If you want to go ahead and ride along this journey with me, see where this channel takes me, I really appreciate it. Like I said, go ahead and like, comment, tell me what next video I should do, or what do you want to see more of, whether it's like trucking videos, how I became owner operator, crazy stories when I was a company driver. I was even a trainer at one point, Had about 9 students within like a 10-month period. So yeah, I got a lot of stories. Anyways, I really appreciate you watching this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.